Hello, fellow YouTubers. This is the Mad Scientist from Captain Lips Customs. Um, I just want to show you the Stacy David's car, what I got done so far. That's bare metal, well, HVAC tape on the differential. Here's the motor. I didn't cut my own pulleys for this motor. I think I want to wire this motor. I think I want to go ahead and wire this one. Be my first wire job, since I ain't gonna make it run. The air cleaners, if this ever focus, where I can see it on this. Well, that's not from the kit. That's this type of medical tape. It's got lines in it. Let me take it out of the package so I can show you. I lost my other roll of it, but if you guys see it, it's got like little lines, so it looks like an air filter. Our shaft is all painted. Still working on the dashboard to get that lit. I have this all put together, ready for primer. Sanded it back, and it does make a difference when you sand your plastic back. I know I said that you guys would never see this again until it was done, but this is the Mustang. I just sprayed that, not today, but yesterday. Now, if my paint can come out this good, like the primer did, I'll be doing alright. See, primer came out perfect. But, yeah, it's been a month since I shot a video. Watching videos and, you know, building. But yeah, that's that tape on the, for the air filters. There's pictures on Google, but thanks for watching. These are the tires. See, we got the backs on them. Yep. Thanks for watching, guys, and your comments, and for subscribing. Bye.